are staying at home, welcome to the online class from Bibir Bazar High School for class 9 and 10. The name of the topic is tag question. Dear students, in my previous class I discussed about tag question and their some roles. Now I am going to discuss the rest of the roles of percussion. Dear students, I have written some roles here. I am reading out the roles. Role number 3. If the subject of the sentence is everybody, everyone, nobody, no one, none, anyone, you will use the pronoun they in question. Role number 4. If the subject of the sentence is nothing, something, everything, anything, you will use the pronoun it in that question. Dear students, now I am going to write down some rules on the basis of the rules. Number 1. Everybody believes him. This is the main statement. Now I am going to do the percussion. Then I have to give a comma. Next. Here the subject is everybody and the principal verb is believes. Dear students, this sentence is present indefinite tense. For this reason, I have to take do or does as auxiliary verb. So now I am going to take auxiliary verb do as the next. As the sentence is affirmative, now I have to turn the sentence into negative. Not, but I have to write in short form. Next, as the subject is everybody, I have to turn the word into pronoun form. That means they. They. Next, I have to give interrogative sign. Dear students, I have written one sentence. Now I am going to write down another example. Everybody, everyone, nobody. Now I am going to use nobody to make a sentence. Nobody, when there. Now I have to give comma. Next. This sentence is past indefinite tense. For this reason, I have to use auxiliary verb. We can see that the principal verb is when. That means this sentence is past indefinite tense. For this reason, I have to take did as a auxiliary verb. Did. Next, I have to say something. Dear students, you can see that this sentence is negative. Nobody is a negative word. For this reason, I need not use any not. Next, I have to use subject. Nobody, I have already said I have to use the negative pronoun from they instead of these words, instead of nobody. So, did they. Next, I have to use interrogative sign. Next, rule number 3. Dear students, I am going to give you another example. None can do it. This is the statement. Now I am going to give a comma. Next, the sentence is present indefinite tense because none is subject, can is modal auxiliary verb. After that we can see do. So can is modal auxiliary verb. I can take the modal auxiliary verb. Next, I have to think the sentence is affirmative or negative. This sentence is negative because none indicates negative meaning. So I have to use the subject. Here the subject is noun none. Instead of none, I have to use they. Next, I have to use interrogative sign. Dear students, I have given 3 sentences following the rule number 3. Now I am going to give you some examples following the rule number 4. Here the subject may be nothing is impossible. I am doing or I am writing an example. Nothing is impossible. Nothing is impossible. Nothing is impossible. Here I have written nothing. Next I have to use comma. Next, this sentence is also present indefinite tense. We can see that after subject is. Here is auxiliary verb. I can use is. Nothing is a negative word, so I cannot use any negative form with is. So now I have to think or use subject. As the subject is nothing, I have to use it because I have already told you that if I use nothing, something, everything, anything, you will use the pronoun it. So I have used here it. Next, to complete the sentence, I am giving interrogative sign. Next, example number 5. Something, everything, nothing, everything, E-V-E-R-Y, everything is going on oil. Everything is going on oil. So, dear students, after writing the sentence I have given here comma. To do this sentence into tag question, I am writing auxiliary verb is. So I am going to write down is as a auxiliary verb. Dear students, this sentence is affirmative sentence. For this reason, I have to turn to the sentence into negative to do tag question. So I am going to write down not in short form. Okay, dear students, I have used here is as the sentence is affirmative. I am going to write down the negative form to do the question. Next, I have to use everything. So, as the subject is everything, I have to use pronoun form of everything. That means it. To do complete the sentence, I have to give interrogative sign. Okay. Next, dear students, I have given 5 examples here. I hope that you will read these rules at home and you will try your best to understand these sentences or rules. And I will discuss about the rules or rest of the rules in my coming class. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for being with me. Thank you.